Hey guys, let me show you how to convert Worldcoin to USDT on Binance. After you open the Binance app, go to this trade button. After you come to trade, go to convert. After you come to convert, now tap on this first option and select Worldcoin. Now go ahead and search for WLD. So here is it, now select it. So from the second option, go and select this second option, go and select USDT. So now go ahead, select USDT from the second option, or you can search for the USDT. So as you can see, now here is it. Now specify the amount of the whole coin you want to convert into USDT. Let's say I want to convert like 200 whole coin into USDT. All you have to do now, tap on this preview button, and then it will give you a convert button if you have any whole coin. After you tap on the convert button, now your whole coin will be converted into USDT. If I have any whole coin, this button will be convert. After I tap on the convert, the whole coin will be converted into USDT, and that's it, guys.